Working on a 08 Escalade ESV. Changing out this transmission motor mount. I'll take a 15 mil. Take that out. The other 15 mil right there. Right there, purple or red, whatever. And then I'm gonna take out the other two 15 mils that sit in here. Boom. Boom. Take out those 15 mils, and then take out these two 15 mils. While you got it jacked up all the way till it bottoms out. And if you can't, you got no room, obviously just jack her back up. And then go to the old one. Oh yeah, I got a nasty clunk. Hopefully it don't look too bad, but those are those other two 15 mils at the very bottom. Make sure you just hold on to those right there. And those are the other 15 mils. Go back underneath this thing. Clean that up. If there's anything, any debris and all that good stuff. Take your new transmission mount. Looks like we're gonna have to jack up. We're gonna have to jack it up a little bit more. Hold on. Once you get it in, make sure everything is sitting nice and flush. I would start hand tightening it first, but not all the way. So that way when you drop the jack, it'll line up. Line up that hole so you can start hand tightening that. But not all the way though, so hold up. That way when you start when you lower it a little bit, it starts slowly getting closer. You see it getting closer. And right about there, I'll stop. Put the other 15 mil in. As you drop it in place, it should just do its thing. Put those last two 15 mils underneath right here. On that one, and that one. Tighten her up. And then tighten up those two 15s. And then you in the game. Got you a brand new mount. Here's how it looks. So comment if you have any questions. Hopefully that'll stop this little clunking sound I got. I'll be so happy. Just get it. Comment if you have any questions. All right.